Welcome to Informatica support videos. My name is Mohammed Tanveer. In this video, I will walk you through the introduction of Informatica Log Express, its use cases, deployment, platform support, and finally, we will install the Log Express server and the agent. Informatica Log Express is a scenario-based aggregator for troubleshooting information. It is a web-based self-help application which collects diagnostic data such as logs, configuration reports, system information, stack traces, metadata exports, workflow exports, etc. For a given scenario, it can collect the diagnostic data from any of the servers in the customer's environment where Informatica products are deployed. Informatica Log Express has a lightweight agent running on the Informatica environment which collects the data intrusively and uploads it seamlessly to a common secure FTP location at Informatica. Informatica Log Express can collect all the relevant data for an issue. By providing such information, Informatica support is enabled to start debugging the issue right from day one, thus enhancing the resolution of the issue. The Log Express is bundled with the server and the agent. The Log Express server needs to be installed first on a Windows or a Linux environment. Log Express server can be installed separately from Informatica instances. Next, the Log Express agent has to be installed on each of the Informatica nodes. Log Express agent can be installed on any of the Informatica supported platforms like Linux, Windows, Solaris, AIX, and HPUX. However, the Log Express server needs to be installed and must be running on a Linux or a Windows box. Here are the only prerequisites for running the agent. Set info home and info default domain password before installing the agent. In case of Windows, set it as part of system variables. If you are using Linux, AIX, Solaris or HPUX, set it as shell variables. During the installation of the agent, please be sure to use the same credentials and environment settings as run by your Informatica processes. Let's install the Log Express server. I have downloaded and unzipped both the server and the agent installer. Let's install a server first. I'm installing this on a Red Hat Linux box. Let's provide permissions to our installation directory. And run install.sh. Press enter to continue. You may either specify the installation directory or hit on enter for default installation directory. The default Tomcat port is 19090. You may provide a different one if this is not available. I'll go with the default. Let's leave this to be default as well. Hit on enter. Hit on enter as this is embedded FTP. And we'll leave the directory to be default as well. Please note, in any of the above cases, if any of these ports are not available, we will be prompted to choose a different one by our validator. Well, this is the summary for the installation. Hit on enter to continue. And the installation is complete. Let's hit enter to exit the installer. You might want to follow these steps to start using the application. Let's navigate to the Tomcat bin directory run startup.sh. Let's verify the same by visiting this URL. You may also verify the installation by viewing the Informatica Log Express install.log file. Alright, this is the user interface for Log Express server. The initial login would be administrator and administrator for both username and password, which can be changed under Manage Users section once we log in. Alright, this is the user interface for your Log Express server. Let's now install the Log Express agent within a Power Center box. This install binary is applicable to Linux, AIX, Solaris, and HP UX. Let's be sure our installation directory has the right permissions and the Informatica Log Express server is already installed and running. And run installer.sh. Let's hit on enter to continue. Let's provide the Log Express server host which we installed a few minutes before. In my case, it's Beetle. The port being default. Well, it was successfully was able to ping the Log Express server. Let's hit on enter. Let's choose the installation path for the agent to be default. I'll leave this to be default as well. Here's the summary of the installation, and let's hit on enter to continue. And we've completed the agent installation. Let's hit on enter to exit. Let's verify the same on our browser. Let's refresh the page. Alright, we might have to go back and run the agent sh file. Let's quickly navigate to the agent directory and execute run.sh. Agent has started. Let's go back and refresh. Alright, our agent is now available. To download Log Express, please log in to mysupport.informatica.com and refer to the blog. If you may need any further assistance configuring this, please raise a service request. Also, be sure to watch the video for configuring and running scenarios in Informatica Log Express. Please reach out to us at supportvideos@informatica.com or at twitter.com/infosupport with your feedback and suggestions. Thanks for watching.